Masks are now required in public in Andrew County. The commission announcing the order today, which will be in effect until January 31st, unless circumstances change. KQ2's Madeline McLean found out why the commissioners decided to act today.
Andrew County, as one commissioner put it, is stepping up its game. The county has a public mask order in effect.
There's a certain segment of our population that are constituents that were saying, well, if the situation were bad enough, the county would have issued a mask mandate. And we wanted to send this signal. Well, the situation is bad enough.
Last week, we spoke to 2 of the 3 commissioners about the issue. They said they were not ready to up the existing recommendation to a mask requirement.
I really don't know that we are ready to do that at this point.
Since then, the county added more than 100 new coronavirus cases. Eastern District Commissioner Fritz Hegeman says nobody relished making this decision.
We don't want to be a heavy-handed arm of the government.
It came down to numbers. Andrew County Health Department reports nearly 730 active COVID-19 cases, and 13 residents have now been killed by the virus.
We reached out to the city of Savannah and the health department and the country club, Village of Country Club, and the school districts, and decided that it was time to reevaluate and maybe step up our game.
Savannah School Superintendent says if you want children to stay in school, then follow Hegeman's lead.
We keep our kids in school 5 days a week, which is the best for their learning, their mental health, and also I would say even the mental health of a lot of our parents who don't have to try to teach their kids at school.
Because if you wear a mask, it helps keep the numbers down. Keeping the numbers down helps the schools. The schools help the children, the parents, and the businesses.
We all went virtual again. What does that do when we talk about the health system? What does that do to the nurses and healthcare workers that have kids in our buildings or where we buy our groceries? We all know how that happened the first time.
We just thought it was time that we needed to send a message, a strong message to our community that, we need to take this, whether you agree with it or not, we need to take this seriously because what you do does affect the rest of the community.
Reporting, Madeline McLean, KQ2 News.
With more and more Missouri counties issuing mask mandates, we reached out to the Buchanan County Commission. They say a mandate has been discussed, but no decision's been made. Currently, the county with a strong recommendation in support of face coverings in public.